Welcome to the project demonstration of face mask detection along with temperature based scanning, and also here we have features like automatic sanitization and automatic door controlling, and also based on the persons entering into the room we are going to counting the persons based on the IR sensors. So here we are using 3 IR sensors. One IR sensor is for temperature detection for the hand detection, and next another 2 IR sensor to count the persons counting like bidirectional visitor counting. So there we place the one more IR sensor. This is the one IR sensor for entrance, and this is the IR sensor to check the while person is exiting. And these are all interfacing to the Raspberry Pi 3 B Blaze model. And the input modules like IR sensors and MLX 90614 temperature sensor and Pi camera. And output modules L293 motor driver to control this door setup, and relay to control the sanitization, and buzzer for audible indication as well as LED indications, and the status will be monitored continuously on the 16:2 LCD screen. So here the process is like the system will check for the temperature initially, and that hand will be detected by this IR sensor, and temperature will be scanned at the same time. If the temperature is normal, then it will go to the next level of face mask scanning, and once the mask was detected on the face, then the system will on the sanitizer for 5 seconds of duration, and after that the door will open, and then these 2 IR sensors will detect the person is entering into the room. So if the person stand here and go away, then the person counting will not be incremented, and when the person is stand here and then when he enters and the next IR sensor detects, then only the person increment will be happen. In the same way, when the person is exiting, when he is standing in front of this IR2, then the motor opens, and when he came out, then IR sensor 1 will detect, then only the count will be decrement. So this is the process, and in this process, if is there any abnormality detected, like for example temperature is normal, mask is not detected, then it will go to the again initial position of temperature scanning only. So before switching on this kit, we need to enable the hotspot in your phone. So change the hotspot name to the project 4926 without any space, without any capital letter, password 123456789, and then after on the hotspot on the data. So after that, then give the power supply to our whole kit. This adapter will take 230 volts input and provide us the 5 volts constant output power supply. So this is the whole kit looks like, and now I'm providing the power supply to the motherboard. Right. So when we switch on this kit, so it will take booting time at around 15 to 20 seconds. On the successful of booting, then there will be a welcome message, and these 2 LEDs will be on and off 2 times along with the buzzer. Right. So now from this side I'm demonstrating, we'll show you the LCD messages and the sanitization. Then after we'll demonstrate from other side the real-time implementation of the face mask detection. Now I don't have the face mask, so show your hand. So I'm showing my hand, so it will scan the temperature. Temperature is okay, and then it will go with the mask scanning. So that I don't have the mask now. So while demonstrating, we should have the more sunlight on your face mask. So right. So mask is not detected. Red indication, LED and buzzer on. So we'll get the mail alert. So mail sent. Right. So we got the mail here. So you can see that person without mask. So you can download the image. We can see who is the person doesn't have the mask. So we got the photo like this if the person doesn't have the mask. And next, so we'll go with the high temperature. So right. So now as I said, it will come to the back position of temperature scanning. So if I have high temperature, same for high temperature also, it will send the mail. Right now. Right. So So here we can see on the LCD the 0, nothing but the count. So now let us go with the normal conditions like face mask and low temperature. So now I'm showing my hand. First step is temperature is okay, and then I have the mask now. So if you have the sunlight, more sunlight on your face, it will detect fast, right? Mask is detected, and then sanitizing. So after the sanitation was done, so it will inform us, welcome and stand at the entrance. So now the person has to stand like this, and he will go inside. And after entering inside, if it doesn't entering inside, after 4 seconds, automatically the door closes. Then the count was incremented. And we set the limit for 5 counts maximum. After the 5 counts happen, then the system will allow display that capacity is maximum. Then when the person is exiting from this side, right, again the person has to come in this manner. Again the count will be decremented, right? So let us see this from other side, right? So now same setup. So temperature is okay. Okay, and now mask scanning. So till it will display the temperature is okay, right? So we should place the camera above eye level is better for get the exact fast response. Again sanitizer is on. When it displays that welcome and stand at entrance, then we need to stand at the entrance. Right, door closing, and the count will be incremented. So like that till 5 persons comes, normal condition. When it is above the 5%, then it will not allow that, which will be displayed on the LCD maximum capacity. Stop.